Here we have another Craftsman Single Stage snow thrower. I'm just going to start it. I service it just like the gray Craftsman, cleaning it and all. Alright, so here we go. Turn the key on, prime it 3 times to very. In a second. Same principle, let it warm up. It's already off. It's already off, so that's really good. Alright, that's it with this one. Let it run. Turn the auger on. Now, when it cools down, just turn the choke back to full. And what that does, stops spiders from getting in there and screwing up your carburetor. Really, that happens. They get in there and they block everything. All right, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Thanks, bye.